My roof was damaged by the hurricane. Should I cover it with a tarp? Hey, this is Mendy with My Insurance Claim Expert, here to answer all your insurance-related questions. So understand, I want you to look at your house as far as this is your investment. Let's take insurance out of the picture for a moment and let's talk about what would you do then. This is your most valuable investment. Of course, you want to protect it. Same thing, you want to protect your house from further damage. In fact, bringing insurance back into it, your policy requires that you take steps to prevent further damage within a reasonable amount of time. Typically, that's 14 days. Of course, if it's right after a hurricane and there's no one around to do it for you because they're all overbooked, it's understandable if it takes longer. Now, what about the cost of the tarping? Is that going to be covered? So, several things I want you to take into consideration. Number one is your insurance policy may have a limitation for mitigation, such as $3,000 is the maximum they're going to pay, unless you request that they lift that limit and allow you to spend what's necessary when it's above $3,000, or if they don't reply within a certain amount of time, typically 2 to 3 business days, then automatically that's waived. So if you see the people coming out are quoting you $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, and keep in mind, if you need the full roof tarp, it's not cheap. It's typically $2 to $3 a square foot at minimum. What you want to do is you want to hold off on tarping it in that case. Send a email like this it's written to your insurance company and say, hey, the quotes I'm getting for tarping the roof is $7,000, $6,000, whatever it is. I know there's a limit of $3,000. Are you approving me to go ahead and do this tarping? Okay, now the other thing to be aware of is your insurance company is probably going to want to inspect that roof when they come out. So if you get the roof tarped, you want to speak with the people who are tarping it about having it removed temporarily when your insurance adjuster gets out there. You also want to talk with your insurance company. For example, if the damage happens today and they say their insurance adjuster is coming out tomorrow, you probably don't want to tarp it before they come out and inspect it like this. You don't need to pay triple the price for tarping it, then covering it, then uncovering it, and then tarping it again. So communicate with your insurance company. That's the best advice I can give you. But of course, if your roof is damaged, you don't want to leave it for months on end uncovered. You want to make sure that's tarped within a reasonable amount of time. I hope this information has been useful to you. As always, if you have any questions, email us at questions@pantherpa.com and show us some love. Like, follow, share, tell your friends about us. Have a great day.